I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Gemini and uploading your image. Choose drag and drop or upload, then confirm file size. Once uploaded, select a crop ratio like 16, 9 or 1 to set composition. That guides edits rather than guessing. Make sure Auto Enhance is on if you want a quick baseline correction. It fixes exposure, color, and contrast automatically. Now select the primary subject with the lasso or click Select Subject. This isolates edits, so changes won't affect background areas. Next, dive into detailed adjustments by working in layers so each change is non-destructive. Create separate layers for exposure, color grading, and sharpening. Use the exposure and highlight sliders to recover detail and add a curves layer for tonal control. For generative edits, type concise prompts to change background or swap objects, then refine masks created by the model. When removing blemishes, use heal or clone with a small brush. Adjust mask feathering between 0 and 50 pixels for natural blends. Finish by exporting with the right format and quality. Choose JPEG for web or PNG/HEIF for transparency and higher fidelity, set quality %, and confirm resolution. Once done, preview at 100% to inspect edges and artifacts, and toggle original verses edited to validate improvements. If results look off, reset the specific layer rather than starting over, rerun the generative prompt with clearer instructions, or reduce the generative strength slider to avoid oversynthesis. This typically fixes unnatural fills or halos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.